If you are saying that couldn't send, please try again later, either on Snapchat. When trying to send messages or snaps, it's often due to connection issues, app glitches, or Snapchat server problems. Here is how you can fix it. First of all, check your internet connection. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data is the most common reason for this error popping up. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off to reset the network. You can also restart your router if you are on Wi-Fi. Next, clear the Snapchat cache. Open Snapchat, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon, then the settings in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Clear Cache under the Account Actions section. Then tap Continue. This will not delete your memories or messages but helps remove corrupted data. After that, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Go to your Google Play Store and check for updates. If it's already updated and still not working, restart your phone and try again. If the issue continues, try logging out and logging back in to refresh your session. Tap on your Bitmoji, then Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Logout, then Sign back in. Still not working? It might be a temporary Snapchat server issue. You can check websites like Down Detector to see if others are experiencing the same issue. After trying these steps, you should be able to send messages or snaps without errors. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.